Getting into debt can be a serious financial burden that can impact your life in many ways. When you take on debt, you are essentially borrowing money that you will need to pay back over time, often with interest. This means that you will need to allocate a portion of your income towards debt repayment, which can limit your ability to save, invest, or spend on other things that are important to you. That being said, there may be times when taking on debt is necessary, such as when purchasing a home or financing education. However, it's important to approach debt with caution and make sure that you are taking on only what you can afford to repay. Here are a few tips to help you avoid unnecessary debt. Budget and track your spending. Creating a budget and tracking your expenses can help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. This can help you avoid overspending and taking on unnecessary debt. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid taking on debt in the event of unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit card debt and other high-interest loans can be particularly burdensome, as the interest can quickly accumulate and make it difficult to pay off the debt. If you must take on debt, look for low-interest options or consider alternatives like personal loans or lines of credit. Finally, always live within your means. It can be tempting to spend more than you can pay this month and live beyond your means. But doing so can quickly lead to debt and financial stress. It's better to sleep comfortably in a one-bedroom apartment than to spend your nights at a huge house, wondering how the heck you'll be able to meet the mortgage payments. So, be thoughtful about your expenses. Always aim to live within your means, and prioritize saving and investing for the future. Remember, avoiding unnecessary debt is an important step towards achieving financial stability and security. By being mindful of your spending, building an emergency fund, and prioritizing responsible borrowing, you can help ensure that your finances are in good shape for the long term. Thanks for watching. Go start your debt-free journey, and I'll see you on the next one.